Hi guys, I'm Digonto Shubha, welcoming you to another tutorial on KeyShot tips and tricks. Today I will talk about texturing, how you can add texture to your model. So as you can see, this bed I used only texture, I used no color here. So to begin, let's open KeyShot, and as you can see, I have already imported my model. In my previous video, I have showed you how you can split your objects. That means you can split your geometry and make different parts from a single body. The link is also given in the description, you can check it. Now I'll show you 4 processes to add texture to your model. Suppose on our first process, let's imagine that I have colored my selected part. Double click on your part and it will take you to material, and from here you will see material graph. Click and you will see a lots of boxes. From your library, choose texture and you will see a lots of texture has been added in KeyShot 9. Simply just suppose this texture, simply click and drag this to your material graph and then link this to your diffuse. You see the color has been changed back there. Let me show you a better preview. See, now double click on your texture and you can resize it from here. There you will see a lots of options. I'll go through this all in my next tutorial where I will show you an advanced process to make texture. Another process, suppose these two pillow, they are not colored yet. So if you double click on this, you will see this is only diffuse. That means they are not colored yet. So from here you can go to material graph and just simply choose anything you want and then link it to your color. Now you see the color has been changed. If you double click on this, you can also resize it by unchecking this and go like this. Suppose this is what we wanted. When you are done, just close it. Another process to use texture is simply click and drag. Suppose this is our texture and you can just simply drag it to your selected part. A box will come, color, bump and many options. I will use just color for now. When you do, you see this material automatically loaded. From here you can also change the size what you need. Suppose this is what we wanted. Remember one thing, this material properties is only for these two pillows, and if you click and drag another material on your selected part, then choose a texture, then the box will automatically change, and this is for this bed. You can also size it, but to me this looks perfect. Now let me show you how you can use your downloaded texture. Suppose this part, double click on this part and go to texture. From here check on the color and choose your image. See, the texture has taken place. You can size it, and when you are happy you can go on. So I'm going to color this too simply, and as you can see, that that's how you can add texture to your model. You can download it, use it, click and drag it, or simply just color and then use texture. On my next tutorial, I am going to use this advanced texture system. You see this gold effect of this and the level and how the spot of this water drop was made. I am going through all of this in my next tutorial. So guys, if you get a basic idea of using texture in your model and love this video, hit like and subscribe to the channel, and in the comment section let me know what you need to know about KeyShot, and I'll try my best to make a tutorial on it. For now, thanks for watching.
Let it go.